If DaVinci Resolve is giving you a critical error when saving a project, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help you save your work safely and avoid losing progress. This is especially useful if the error is caused by a folder permission problem, a corrupted project file, or even a disk issue. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorial fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure your project is already open on the Edit page. This is important because we want to test saving the project from inside the workspace where the error is happening. Once you're in the Edit page, go up to the top menu and click File, then choose Save Project As. We are using Save Project As instead of a normal save because this creates a brand new project file, which can help bypass problems that happen when Resolve is trying to overwrite the original file. Now, a new save window will appear. Instead of saving back into the same folder that may be causing the issue, choose a different location. A great option is your desktop or your documents folder. The reason for this is simple. Sometimes the original folder has restricted permissions, is damaged, or is not writing correctly. Saving to a fresh location gives DaVinci Resolve a better chance to complete the save without triggering that critical error. After you select the new folder, give the project a new name if needed, then click Save. At this point, you are confirming that Resolve can successfully write a new project file in a different location. If the save works, that tells you the original problem may have been related to the folder path or permissions rather than the entire project itself. Next, we should check DaVinci Resolve's project safe settings to make sure the software is protecting your work properly going forward. Go up to DaVinci Resolve in the top menu, then click Preferences. Inside Preferences, go to User, and then open Project Save and Load. This is where you can control how Resolve handles saving, backup, and recovery options. Here, make sure Live Save is enabled. Live Save helps reduce the chance of losing changes because it continually saves your work in the background. Also enable project backups. This adds another layer of protection by creating backup versions of your project, which can be a lifesaver if a save fails or a file becomes corrupted. Turning both of these on is one of the best ways to prevent future save errors. If you are still getting the critical error after trying this, the cause may be one of a few common issues. The first is no write permission to the folder. That means Resolve may not be allowed to save files where your project is currently stored. The second is a corrupted project file, which can happen if a save was interrupted or if the file has become damaged. The third possibility is a disk issue, like a drive error, a nearly full storage device, or a problem with the location where the project is saved. If you suspect permissions, try saving to a folder you know you own, like desktop or documents, and avoid saving directly into a system-protected or external location until the issue is resolved. If you suspect corruption, saving a new copy with Save Project As is especially important because it gives you a cleaner version to work from. And if you think the disk itself is the problem, check your available storage space and make sure the drive is functioning properly. The main goal here is to move your project into a safer save location and turn on Resolve's built-in backup features so you can keep working without interruptions. In many cases, that is enough to fix the critical error and get your project saving normally again. So to recap, open your project on the Edit page, use File and Save Project As, save it to a different folder like Desktop or Documents, then go into Preferences, User, and Project Save and Load, and enable Live Save and Project Backups. That simple workflow can solve a lot of save-related problems in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve fixes, editing tips, and beginner-friendly workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.